This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung phone without losing any data. So this is very easy. We can go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to About Phone. And click this. Scroll on down under here and let's go to Reset. Now under Reset, there's an option on your Samsung phone where it says Temporary Cloud Backup. Backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days to restore data you've backed up. So tap this and then go to backup data right here. We have 30 days of unlimited storage where we can back up our entire phone. If something were to happen, we can just restore it at any point in time. So go through this process to back this up, and it's just taking a little bit of time for me. Once you have it backed up, you reset your phone, you can come back to this section and just hit restore data. And you can get all your photos, all your videos, and everything back. So this process might take a little bit of time because you have to download it, upload it, and if you have a couple of 100 gigabytes, it could take a while. So we can go back now. Once we have everything backed up, otherwise we do have this option for external storage backup data to a USB device. So if you got one of these USB devices laying around, and maybe you got an adapter in 1 second, you can just connect it to your phone and you can back up everything to this device, and it'll be a lot quicker than doing it through the internet, unless you have some ridiculous internet that's crazy fast. So you can do that. Then once you have everything backed up, go to factory data reset right here and select this. Go through this process, wipe everything from your phone if it's running slow or something's wrong with it. And this should fix it because it's going to make everything like new. And you can just go to reset right here and then boom, go through that process, back up your data, and then restore it, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.